distancing and everything else, but I mean, yeah, you can like figure out how to Zoom about it, or if you just sit near each other, but it's a little hard right now in a class setting, just because you're talking might, you know, if you can do it really quietly, you could. So we're talking about this problem here involving order of operations and a good amount of negatives. So guys, the biggest trick, I hate that I keep saying the word trick. A fraction is a division, right? So this is actually division when we think about order of operations. So what we have is a negative, we have multiplication, we have addition, we have multiplication, and we actually have division if we think about like our PEMDAS ladder and what we have in this problem. So the thing that often will mess us up is even though we multiply, divide left to right, our life would be easier if we did this first. However, if we want to do the multiplication first, because we're going to work ourselves left to right, we can just turn this 9 into a fraction. So, negative 7 times 7 is the first thing that we would encounter as we go down the PEMDAS ladder. I'm going to put some pens up here to see if I can get the focus to stop messing around. So this multiplication would be our first thing, which gives us a negative, because we only have one negative involved, negative 49, right? Because 7 times 7. I'm going to write down everything else because I didn't do anything yet, and I kind of want to write the fractions cleaner with each other. Now we have this multiplication still to do, so let's do that multiplication straight across and straight across. So negative 49 comes down. 9 times negative 1 is negative 9. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Now we have to simplify this because we can. So what's a negative divided by a negative? Positive. So we're going to say plus a positive if we want to make that little note. What's 9 divided by 1? 9. Because division by 1 doesn't change anything. And this would be negative 49 plus positive 9, and the negative, or the bad guy, wins by 40. Really quickly, because we're out of time, to the problem that somebody just sent me about mixed number division, check your math and check for can we reduce. Sorry, somebody just sent me like a mixed number division. Here, I'll put it on the screen so you know if it was you. But with this, I would really check your math and check if there's reduction to happen. I would need to look at your math, and we need more time to solve that than what we actually have. This last problem that we're going to talk about, because it's the last one that got emailed to me, we ask ourselves what has been done to the variable that we need to undo, right? Because this is just x divided by negative 9. So we could multiply by negative 9 on both sides. So if we multiply by negative 9, that will get the x by itself, and on the right side would get a negative 27. So that should be the answer to that one. Negative 27. Yeah, we should start packing up because we are out of time. Oh, we gotta check that. We gotta finish checking that. Not who won, it's more so did we win. Alright, we might as well just finish this video that was still recording that I didn't realize was still recording with our check of our LEARNSTORM. Alright, final suspense music. I'm curious if anyone knows what this is from. Oh, good catch. Alright, level 14. through 15. We have to complete level 15. All right, we got level 14. I don't think very many of you said you thought we were going to get level 15. But all right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. If so, I owe you guys candy. I seriously don't. Ah. All right, well, I guess do some work over the weekend. When I see you guys next week, we'll check it again. We're going to check this once a week. All right, so we got to decide when next week we check it. But maybe I'll buy some more candy by then, too. Yeah, then 20. Then 20 is more candy. Level 15 is like our first really big important checkpoint. And we're almost there. We're almost there. So 1A, keep working. Keep working.